Well, bakers, if you love eating lemon curd but hate making it, I'm about to rock your world with my whole lemon curd recipe. This is so popular on my website, I had to make a video. We are going to use the whole lemon in this recipe. I like to use Meyer Lemons because they're sweeter and they're not as bitter and they're almost kind of creamier. Now you're going to need a food processor for this one. We're going to add in our lemons, our sugar, and our eggs. Pop on your lid, and then we're going to puree this until it's really smooth for around 2 to 3 minutes. We want to get it really nice and minced. We want to break down all of that rind, getting flavor and extra pulp. Okay, let's take a little look. This looks fantastic and it smells amazing. I haven't even cooked it yet. So now what I'm going to do is pass this mixture through a strainer into a heavy bottom saucepan. And then I'm just going to push out as much juice and everything as possible just through that sieve. A lot will actually go through the sieve, and that's what we want, and you'll be left with the really big bits that shouldn't go through left in your sieve. So we are going to throw those away. Meyer lemons are so amazing and they grow in abundance around California, so I'm really lucky. We're going to gently heat it, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. It'll take just a few minutes. You do want to do this gently over a medium-low heat because there's eggs in here. We don't want to end up with scrambled lemon curd. That would be not nice for anybody. Do not worry about getting this too thick because as it cools, it will actually get even thicker. I'm going to take this off now. And then what you want to do is, again, we are going to pass it through a strainer really quickly just to remove any curds or any overcooked bits. This will just make it really lovely and smooth. Lovely, we are almost there. The last thing I'm going to do is just stir in a knob of butter at the very last minute. And this will just give you a lovely silky texture to your curd. That's it, no muss, no fuss. We have lemon curd ready to go. Cover it with cling wrap. This will prevent it from forming a skin. It'll cool down, it'll thicken up even more, and it'll be ready to go. I like to serve my lemon curd in homemade ice cream or with pavlova, pound cake, or even scones. And that's what I'm doing now. I've got some freshly baked scones. I'm going to add on some freshly whipped cream and some lovely homemade lemon curd. Look at that. Maybe I should have let this set a little bit longer to firm up, but I don't care because this still looks and smells amazing. Lemon curd is such a lovely complement to so many sweet recipes because it has that bitterness that it brings to the table and just cuts that sweetness. However you want to serve your lemon curd, it's a fantastic recipe to have in your back pocket. I really hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe on how you can make lemon curd using the whole lemon. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're in the mood for more baking, stick around because I've probably hundreds of videos you haven't even seen yet. I'll see you back here again really soon.